In this tutorial, we will see that how you can log in to Sweat Wallet account in just few steps. So there are three ways to log in. You can choose whatever you want. So let's log in with Sweatcoin. From home page, you have to open it and click on this Login with Sweatcoin. It will show you this window to log in. Click Approve Login, Let's Start and click Next. And at last, you can click on this Open Your Wallet. Then you will be on this Sweat Wallet homepage. Now let's move on to second method and log in with Secret Phrase. Open Wallet account. Select this Login with secret phrase. Now you have to paste your secret phrase here and click on login to log into Sweat Wallet account, and then it will open up this window. So let's have a look of more login options. Since we have activation email, so click on that, swipe it, and then this Sweat account will send a verification code to your email. You can open your email and paste received code here on your wallet account, and then you will be on this home page of Sweat Wallet account. So that's how you can log in to Sweat Wallet account in just few steps.